Introducing the 2024 Skoda Karoq SEL 2.0 TDI 115 horsepower 05-door in sleek grey. This diesel manual estate Jeep is loaded with comfort, safety and style features like air conditioning, lane departure warning and chrome package. With ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking for security. Plus, it has a spare wheel, roof rails and privacy glass for added flair. Rest assured knowing it has a full health check, warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. For a reliable and stylish ride, contact us at spiritskoda.ie or call now. Your dream car awaits.